Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna do the unboxing and full review for the latest tablet from Huawei, which is Huawei MatePad Pro, and it's 13.2 the screen size for this tablet, so it's a huge tablet, large screen, and also it comes with very high performance. So as you can see here on the side, so the MatePad Pro, it comes with 512GB of storage and 12GB of RAM. So let's do the unboxing together. So first of all, here is the tablet itself. We'll just check it later. I think this is the keyboard, so it comes inside the box. There is a keyboard, as we can see. And here we have got the charger, and it's super fast charging, guys. This is 88 watts and it comes with Type C and Type A as well. And this is the cable, which is still Type A to Type C cable, and it comes with 6 amperes here, so it's fast charging, guys, cable. So let's open this huge tablet. Oh, first of all, the color is awesome, guys. It's like green, light green color. Wow, it really looks so amazing. As you can see, still have the notch here in the front. And from the right side, so we have here the 2 speakers and the Type C port. From down there is nothing. From the left side we have the power button and 2 other speakers, and from the top we have here 3 mics and the volume button as well. And in the back side here we have got the 2 setup of camera, the flash light, and also 1 more mic. So it comes with the main camera here, which is 13 megapixel and 8 megapixel for the wide angle. And here is the keyboard itself. Wow, the sound is awesome, guys. Sound is very clear, very rich. And we see here the keyboard. It comes with Huawei logo, and it comes in 2 separate pieces, as we can see. Wow, so it comes here with the mouse pad, guys, unlike the other tablets from Huawei. So now we have the mouse pad included in the keyboard itself. Okay, guys, and now how it looks inside the keyboard. And the thing here, this backside cover, it's magnetic, so it will stick to the keyboard very strong, guys. And if you want to use this keyboard, you can just attach the keyboard to the tablet itself. Then you need to stick this back cover and open this wide to use it this way. So first of all, if you'll be talking about the screen here, we have got 13.2 inch of the screen, and it comes with flexible OLED screen. So the screen here is more durable, and it has very rich colors, and plus also it comes with a resolution of 2880 by 1920, and it has 262 pixels per inch. So the experience in this screen will be an amazing experience. And talking about the refresh rate, it comes here with 144 refresh rate and 1000 nits for the brightness. So if you'll be talking about the tablet dimension, so it comes only with 5.5 mm thickness, so it's very slim body, guys, and also it's only 580 gram without the keyboard for sure, so it's also very lightweight comparing to the screen size, which is 13.2. So we have very large screen and very lightweight, as you can see, guys, with the very slim body. And also it comes with 94% screen to body ratio, so you will see the slim bezels around the screen here will give you the full view of the display, with the notch in the top here for the 3D depths, and also 16 megapixel the front camera. And if we'll be talking about the software, so the tablet comes here with Harmony OS version 4. So this is the latest version of the Harmony OS, and also comes with 12 GB RAM and 512 GB of storage. And as we mentioned, 2880 by 1920. So the experience of the tablet, the first impression, it's very nice, very premium. Even with the sound quality here, it comes with 6 speakers and 4 mics, so you will have an amazing audio experience as well. And talking about the battery here, the tablet comes with 10,100 milliampere battery, and as we mentioned in the beginning of the video, it comes with 88 watts super fast charging. So that's amazing, guys. So the battery will last with you for a long time with very fast charging. And for sure it comes also with the Bluetooth 5.2 and the Wi-Fi 6 Plus. And the typing experience on the tablet, it feels so premium, and also with this touchpad, so you can use it as a laptop. So I hope you liked the video, guys. If you have any question, just drop your comment in the comment section below. I'll get back to you, and just subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.